What is up, all you Fast and Furious fans? As you can see, the Eclipse is back at Just Driven HQ. It's been gone for a minute. We're going to let you know where it's been all this time, so stick around. Today is a big day. We're loading it up on the flatbed. We are taking it to an undisclosed location to get a body kit. Hey guys, let's not forget this is a special car. It's a collaboration between Just Driven and DVEN. This car will be a giveaway car, and it's going to help fund a PTSD dog for a disabled veteran. The hardest part when building most any Fast and Furious replica build is sourcing the wheels and the body kit. Luckily, our good friend Chris Payne, he came through heavy with the wheels. You rock, thank you. The body kit, we ended up going with an Extreme Dimensions Blitz kit. Unfortunately, it was extremely disappointing. You can't expect much from a $400 body kit, right? So our plan was to have Joe basically move into the shop, put that extra time in here, live here for a month or two, right? So he can make it perfect. We can't do that to Joe. That's our boy. Enter Eric Rosado. He's the guy who supplied the Bomex kit that we used to make the Just Driven Fast and Furious Supra body kit. Next to his original Bomex kit was a robo-car kit that he had stashed away 20 years ago. Eric is an OG Fast and Furious fan club executive. He goes way back. In the early 2000s, he built a stunning Eclipse replica. It went on tour with the Nopi Fast and Furious race series. I think that was right around 2002. We sent Eric chocolates and flowers and called him every day and sent him, heart eyeball emojis, but nothing worked. He wouldn't give up that kit. We couldn't pry it from his death grip. You can't blame him. Where's he going to get another one? And as you can see, the original body kit, it is beat up from the street up. They're gonna fix it, then they're gonna fit it, and then they're gonna make the mold. A few months ago, Eric reached back out to us. He had this crazy idea. He was going to recreate a RoboCar-inspired kit, except one that actually fits. I was like, what? Eric, yeah, put us on the top of that list. James, I got you, but I need one thing. What is that? I need to borrow the car for a few weeks. Done. making a body kit, it's critical that you have a stock straight car. So you know all your mounting points are going to be the same across the board for all the cars around the world. That's just part of it, right? It is a time-consuming, stinky, fussy process, right? Imagine that bumper is going on 100 times. Every single piece that's getting, contoured to fit this body has to go on and off, on and off. There's so much repetition involved. And let me show you the results. Here we go. This is the front bumper here. Light and super rigid. This thing, it's got the beautiful gel coat. Your openings are uniform. That's exactly what you want to see. So the license plate center, those are obviously the reverse lights, and the screen accurate location, as Daryl likes to put it, are laser straight. Let me just show this off here. 0001, baby. It's official. Let's go ahead and mock this up on the car so you can see exactly how good it looks. That thing literally clicks into place. Oh man, that is great. That is great. This side skirt, it basically installs itself. I'm just doing this for shop value. That never happens. That's perfect. The rear bumper is huge. It's not heavy, it's just bulky. I'm gonna line this up to these factory there. Are you kidding me? Dudes, it just fell right into place. Look, I mean, that's perfect. You might notice the super high performance exhaust on this car because we do live in California and we have stringent smog restrictions here. That's as good as it gets. Smog. I have got to say, that kit went exactly where I put it. It went on easy. Come look at these details. This fender and the bumper, it just lines up nice and square. Everything's nice and uniform. It just goes into place. There's no tension, there's no twisting. Check out this side skirt detail. That thing snaps right into place. I mean, it is uniform, smack right up against the quarter panel. That's exactly what you want to see. I take my hand away and it stays in that same position. You can't ask for more than that. The door cutout, it is nice. The alignment is great. And check this out. That's pre-fitment. That's pre-fitment. When we smooth out all these lines to the just driven perfection, it's going to be just as nice. But look. Oh, man. That's the noise you want to hear. The noise you don't want to hear is crack, smash, Some of you may notice this body line here, right, and say, what the heck, that thing looks really out of place. Well, there's a stock finisher piece that goes on the bottom of the door. Now, the movie car didn't have it, and they filled all the holes for these clips here, so that's what we're going to do with our car. We're going to just seal these up, hit them with a couple of welds. We're probably going to fill this somehow. We're going to leave that up to Joe because he knows what I'm doing, and I'm just rattling off information that might not be true. Nevertheless, we're going to put it in his hands to do it properly, and that will all be filled. But if you're not planning to do that with your build and you end up getting this kit, don't worry, it still will fit with the factory piece that goes on here. So it's all good. The main piece of the Eclipse puzzle has fallen into place. This car is not going to stay like this for much longer. I see green pastures on the horizon. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like it, share it, spread it around the internet. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Oh, that's an outtake. Okay, action. We hold these truths to be self-evident. Do you want to get it from the back? We're also working with Eric Rosado from Aero Armor. Word. How do I get on the top of that list? Nope. a few months ago, and it's going to help fund a PTSD dog. Okay, James, there's only one thing about that. I need to borrow your car forever. You look like Kanye West walking around in socks. I just realized why he does that. Because it's a statement against Adidas. Because he's artistic. Yeah, he's artistic, man. The Fast and Furious Eclipse is heading to Azusa with the friend. With help from our friend Eric Rosado. He is the something of Aero Armor. We are going to be, the car is going to be the test car. This is going to be the test car for the body kit fitment, the Robocar Replicar kit on Facebook. You didn't know where I was going with that, did you?